Hello, hello. Let me see, 1 second. Hello, I'm just gonna wait a couple more minutes until more people join. Hello. Hello, EB. Hello. Okay, so this is English stream right now. Okay, so let's see. If you have any questions, you have to ask in English, and yeah, that's it. So let me just tell them. Alright, so I'm live right now, guys. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so before we start, okay, so let's start. So right now, last night, my most recent opinion was a triangle, right? Because we started from here with a double top, right here. And the reason I gave you guys that it was gonna fall was because it was the same price as when the whales made their profit, right? Exact same price. That gave us clue that they were going to do it once more. So usually it's easy to check when it happens third time, right? But it's hard, very hard to check or predict on the second time, right? For example, I'll give you an example. If there was a triangle, most of the people notice at here, okay? Here. But me, I try to predict at here before even the top comes, right? So that is the hard part. So if this goes up again after moving, people will take a lot of short here, and whales will not give that. They might just break it, okay? Because they know that once there was a big short here, and second time, the third time they might not give. That is why it is difficult to predict what they're thinking. Okay, so anyways, if I go back to the counting from the top, for now I still don't know if it's ABC or an impulse. But right now it seems like an impulse. Okay, it was broken. So now it seems like it was broken. See, if you draw a line from here to here, it's broken now. Okay, so it's quite unlikely, okay, that it's gonna go down right away. But as you can see, the volume. Let's see. Okay, let's just do counting then. See what happens. Okay, if that was a simple ABC, that means the volume decrease. Okay, so that was ABC, DE. So we have to start counting here then. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so I guess that was not a leading in the end. It was just a simple ABC correction, ABC, and ABC. I mean, there has to be an impulse. So 335, but that looks like that is why I kept telling you guys there's one more left, but there isn't right now. I don't see one. Because according to the counting, it has to be 335, right? 3, 3, 5. Where is the 5? Or maybe it was, since we have, maybe it was 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there isn't one. That is why I'm confused. Okay, so let's start again from beginning then. See what happens. Let's see. But it seems like it's gonna go up right now, right? So ABC, 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 to how much? At least 2.213. Okay, it's almost there now. So it is likely that it's let me just go in position right now, 1 second. If it breaks here, then I'm gonna have to go out. 5602 56. Sorry. Okay, I hope it doesn't go up again because I just went in position. So let's see. Alright, so far from now, the counting has to be this: A, B, C, and then A, B, C going up. So that was A, B, and now C going up. So if we do A, simple, Fibonacci from A to top of A to bottom of A, we are currently at 1.13 plus we are currently at 2 and 2.0 2.10 2.13 I mean. So these two are currently in same place, so this is a strong resisting zone. That is why I just went in short. Hopefully it will go down, meaning if it's finished A, B, C, then we have to have more corrections bottom wise. So now let's see in bigger time frame and see if we can still make out a triangle. Okay, so I don't see triangle anymore because of this one volume, right? This volume's too big. It's like a cup and handle. So now if it goes down, I'm gonna have to think it's gonna go down more. If it goes up, then I'm gonna have to think that it's gonna go up to at least here and break it. Right? Because you would have to think it as an impulse now. So if we start counting from here, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Like this, 5. So leading, correction, impulse, correction, ending, or like this, I mean, ending, creating 5. So that was one big impulse, and that was ABC, correction, okay? So this was given to around between 4, 5, and 5, right? So if it goes down more, that's gonna be 3, 3, 5, right? Probably 2 at least here, or 2, 6, 1, 8 before it goes up again, even if it's an impulse, right? Even if it's an impulse. If not, if it goes down now, then it's gonna be where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now there was ABC, and even if this was an ABC, it already gave 0.5 and 61, or 0.5 and 0.55, which is enough correction for B correction. You can still go up to 382 and then come down. Still possible, right? Still possible. So for now, I still see that it's gonna go down. Even if it's an impulse and it's gonna go all-time high, I still think it's gonna go down more. Alright, so any questions, guys? That's it for the Bitcoin analysis. That was short-term and long-term, my opinion. 네. 제 레퍼럴 사용해 주시면 돼요, 여러분. 여러분들 가끔 이제 부계정으로 쓰시거나 그 가입을 하시고 안 쓰시는 분들도 있을 수 있어서 말씀드리는 건데, 그러면 자동 강등되시면 다음에 이제 다이아 들어오시기 힘드신 점 아셨으면 해요. 외국 친구들이 그렇게 하신 분들이 좀 계셔서 어쩔 수 없이 네, 공평하게 하기 위해서 헬로우 승복한다. Is a WXY down to 40k possible on Bitcoin, starting where that 5 ends? WXY down to 40k possible? Yeah, I would say so. It's possible. Yeah. So let's see. 40k is around here, right? So that means there has to be ABC, and yep, it's possible if we have something like this. See, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the difference. So how much did it give? From A to B, A, it gave almost 3.618. That is crazy. Okay, so where's 3.618? See, so it's possible. Right now, still possible. So ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very possible, okay? Any other questions? Not right now. After when everybody's finished with Bitcoin questions, I'll take a look. So any more questions on Bitcoin and analysis? Okay, let's take a quick look at what's happening in 1 minute time frame. Okay, so it's just making ABCs. Look, that's all ABCs, right? Alright, nothing so special right now. 래퍼를 가입하고 24시간 후에 바로 거래하셔도 되고요. 그 다음에 저한테 그 디스코드 메시지 주시면 됩니다. 네, UID 넘버 주시면서 어느 사이트에 가입을 했습니다 라고 말씀해 주시면 제가 체크를 해드릴 수 있어요. Okay, it seems like it's falling right now. Hopefully it falls more. Lower background. Okay, so it seems like this is become a supporting zone now. Okay, so this was a resisting, right? Now it has become a support. So hopefully it breaks this. If it doesn't break, then it's probably gonna go up. So hopefully they will break it. Come on. You can do it. Break it. Yes, nice. Very good. I like that. Alright, I'll do the altcoin now. Where is it? The first one was TEL. TEL USDT. Okay, what is this? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this one was a simple one, I think. So you just do Fibonacci, right? And then the first fall will be around here. It'll be around here, and then if there's another fall, so probably here will be a strong supporting zone, and then next one will be here. And I don't know if there will be a support. Usually it should be 618 and 382, but from the look of your chart, it seems like that it's not very strong supporting zone here. But it's still good to see if you can go in here. So these are all good numbers to go in, okay? These are all good numbers up to here. So if this was a first correction. Okay, let me see. Okay, so there was more. So this is third. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the third impulse, and if you check my impulse tutorial video, the third one does not go below normally 5 or 618. Okay, so the first rebound will be around here, and then after that you have to check what the B is forming. If it's a triangle, then it's gonna go like this. If it goes more down, then it's gonna get supported in this area. I hope it doesn't go below here because then it's a very big correction. But if this is 1, 2, 3, then it shouldn't go below 618. Okay. Let's see. Next question. YFI. YFI. Okay, I don't have much information on this. Let's take a look at volume. Okay, so I see a trend line, and it's following that trend line, right? So there was a trend line, and it just broke with the big spike volume. So it was decreasing, and then boom. So this was where the whales have bought enough. I don't know if it's a coin or stock, but they have bought enough, so they are ready to pump it. So it will likely go up quite a bit. Okay, I would say at least 90k. But it's not gonna go straight in one line, so you have to remember that. I mean, it might, you never know, but unlikely. So it might fall again and then go up like this. But eventually it will hit this zone right here. That's all I can see from this one. XRP, let's see if I can take a look at XRP. Okay, so let's see. XRP was a little spike volume here, but it's we can forgive that. Okay, that's not huge, so we can forgive that. So A1, A, B, C, D, E. Alright, so it will probably not touch the bottom. If it does, then it might go down. So around middle or higher, it will probably go up. And if it breaks it, then yes, it will go up more. But your question was, are we gonna get cheaper price for XRP? You might. It depends how you count it. So if you count it A, B, C, D, E, then it's gonna go up. But if you count that's A, B, C, A, and A, B, C, D, E, and C, then it's gonna go up here. So it depends on how you count it. Also, this could be an impulse. Nobody knows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And correction, and 5. So how do you count this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Alright, so if I go to smaller time frame and show you one more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so that could be 1, and now that could be 2, and now that could be start of 3. You have to start counting it and see if it's an impulse for 3 or not. If it's an ABC, then it will likely fall again. Okay. Go back to the fourth and tap. Okay. Thank you for the answer. No problem. BT요. 우선 영어 방송이기 때문에 한국 방송 영어로 우선 말씀 아까 드렸기 때문에 이따가 디스코드에서. 네. So exciting. Tel is about to go crazy. Yeah. Ethereum. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum. USDT. Let's see. All right. So Ethereum, I took short at exactly this price right here because that was when Bitcoin was starting to fall. Before I went to sleep, I took short here and then I put my stop loss here. So while I was sleeping, it touched it and then went big short. Other than that, right now it seems like it's making another triangle. Oh my goodness, huh? So that is probably, you know what? I should take a look at this and I should start trading with Ethereum. It looks quite bullish, but it's not gonna be a bullish one actually. It will depend where it breaks, but so just look out for these two channels, and wherever it breaks, you should follow it. But for me, it's gonna go down, okay? Because this is a rising wedge for me, not a triangle. But you never know with Ethereum, man. It might go crazy again. If you know what I mean. Ethereum, it's crazy. Alright, so yeah, but Ethereum, it seems like it might actually create A, B, and C. A little bit interesting. Right? Because if Ethereum falls here, that means Bitcoin will follow as well. So that means Bitcoin will fall as well. That is my question. Is it going to do that? Probably. So right now, nowadays, Bitcoin tends to follow Ethereum. Okay. Let me see. So the counting will be like this. A, B, C, D, E. Alright, you see this too, right? Well, that's what I see right now currently, so. Let me see, 1 second. So do you guys have any questions on Ethereum? Because it seems like it might fall actually. I'm just seeing the volume. Let's see. Okay, so hello Esri. Okay, I was just trading in the Binance. I'm in short in Bitcoin and Ethereum just now, so oh shit, I'm making a huge profit on Bitcoin. What's happening Bitcoin? 1 second, let me see. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, it's falling right now. So hopefully it will break. Okay, so it will break this channel. This is most important thing right now. If it breaks, and this channel plus this fib zone, this is 0.5 fib zone. So if it breaks these two, then it's gonna be more falling. Okay. You know what? 1 second. Let me just take a quick look at Bitcoin before we move on. Because anyways, your altcoins will probably get affected by Bitcoin anyways, right? So it will follow where Bitcoin goes. So give me a second. 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so interesting. No. Okay, hopefully. Okay, fingers crossed. Okay, fingers crossed, and let's see. Let's go back to your questions. EOS. Did I do EOS yet? Maybe I didn't. Okay, let me take a look at EOS for you guys. EOS USDT. EOS was crazy, right? Yeah, I know. It was crazy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess it was the easy one. So if it falls, it will fall to probably boom, boom, boom. Around here, it will go boom. If not boom, so unless it makes a flat, it's gonna fall here or here. Okay, if it's very bullish, it will make it running. But that's A, B, and C will likely to jump here. This supporting line right here. So might go up here. That is a short term. Okay, let's go to long term now. Okay, so that was a leading. That was a beautiful leading. I can't believe I didn't see that. Well, I never look at EOS, so I can't really see that. But okay, so that was a leading 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it seems like that is a finish of a one impulse. Okay, that is finish of one impulse. Oh my God, there is another leading. Why did I miss all these? Nobody was interested in this coin. And suddenly they all are because it's going up. But you shouldn't be interested in coins that are pumping. You should be interested in coins that are not pumping. Okay? And have to see these. Yep. Okay, so that's where it's going right now. So after this, it might actually pump more after correction. So there will be correction now, okay? Don't buy, don't take a long position right now. It's crazy. Okay, so Bitcoin is going down finally, hey? Right? So if it breaks these two lines, I'm gonna have to now start looking for prices that I'm gonna have to sell it. So I'm gonna have to pause my live stream. Alright, it's okay. Oh, really? I don't know what that is. Well, I know that it's a coin or it's a chart that we just looked at, but oh, really? Nice. Damn. Nice profit. One only. You can ask me one at a time. Any advice after you got liquidated? Okay, so normally you have to find the reason why you were liquidated, right? So for example, you thought it was gonna go down here and you went short position here, but instead it went up. So your stop loss should have been up here, right? Because that is your opinion, that was your prediction, and it was broken. So you were only liquidated for two reasons. One, you were using too high leverage, okay? Too high leverage. Number two was because you did follow your trading rule, which was setting a stop limit, right? So it went up. So you have to fix and see why you were liquidated, which part of trading you were wrong, and then you have to fix one by one until you are perfected, okay? And never make the same mistake again. That is how you become a good trader and successful one as well. Okay. Don't leverage that. Yeah. Well, you can leverage, but don't use high leverage. All right. Everything looks bearish at the. Oh yeah. What's your trading strategy with volume? Nothing much. I don't use this to trade actually. I never use this unless I'm in the I'm outside or unless I'm in my bed lying down with my cell phone. I don't use it at all. Trading during live stream. Can you read reef? What is reef? There's so many different coins. Oh my goodness. Never heard of this coin before as well. Reef. Interesting. Whoa, okay. I see that big volume here. Okay. Well, did it? No, okay. So what you should do with reef is, did it break actually or no? No, it didn't break. Okay, so you should set your alarm. Okay, you have alarm here system. Set your alarm to this price, 0.058663. Okay, and then set it so once it breaks, you get an alarm. And once it breaks it, you just take long or you just buy this. Until then, it's gonna create a huge long. It's gonna waste your time if you buy right now. You think it's gonna go up, right? It might make a huge box. Okay, this is in my pattern tutorial video. It will make a long box until the whales believe they have enough coins in their wallet. Okay, so I want 1 million coins before I pump it up. So right now they might have 1 million, they might not, who knows, only they know. Okay, until then they're gonna push it down every time it comes up with huge volume. Okay, they're gonna push it down, push it down, push it down, and until they have a long push in here and a short push in here, they will pump it with bigger volume than these, probably at least double the size. That is when you go in and then follow the whale. Okay, that is how you trade the box strategy. How do you recognize the leading fast? You just see it. You have to see it. The more you trade, you have to see it. Hello, Paul. What's up, man? Oh, it's Seth. Okay. So, normally how I catch it so fast is, okay, I see an impulse upward. So I look at the wave before. And do I see another impulse or do I see a leading? That's it, basically. That's how I catch it so fast. Because all the waves must connect, right? If you think this is an impulse, the one before has to be an impulse, and so the one before. Well, not always, but anyways, you know what I mean by that. They have to connect. So for example, if I go to 1 hour, so if I just see this, if I don't see this one, okay, so let's go replay. So for example here, so if I go here, okay, and I don't know, then it's drawing. But I know that from my counting, that was 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A. So I know that that's B. So from here, I know that it's gonna go impulse downward, right? So that is why these previous waves are giving me hint. And then I was able to go short and tell you guys that take short, and it was gonna fall. Don't buy fiat. That is why I was doing that in my Discord, because of the previous waves. So whenever you guys ask me questions about what's going to happen, it has to provide me with enough information on the waves on the chart so I can analyze it and then see where it's going. All right. How much leverage do you recommend to use? Normally, I would recommend you to use around, I would say around, depends. If you're doing Bitcoin, okay, then I would recommend you to use around 5. 5 is decent. Okay, if you're practicing for the very first time, I would say 3 to 5. Okay, but if you're doing altcoin, major coin or altcoin, I would recommend you to do around 2 to 3. Okay, once you become familiar with the system and how it works, then you are pretty good at it, then you can try Bitcoin 5 to 10 or 8, and then altcoin around still 2 to 4, because altcoin is huge. It will make a huge difference, so don't go crazy with altcoin. All right. Oh, hello, Devour. Bitcoin seems to fail to break the bottom. Oh, really? Let's take a look. This is Bitcoin. Let's take a look at okay, well, it was supported, but it is not. So until it breaks the top here, then we still have chance that it's gonna break, right? So right now it might have failed, but it does not mean that it's gonna fail forever, okay? It might come down now and then break it, nobody knows. Alright. Okay, so any other questions, guys? Yeah, this was a good place to go in. Yep. Right? Only one, please. Only one. One at a time. No problem. I'm in Bitcoin and Ethereum only. Okay, I only do future, right? So I don't do I don't buy fiat, like spot. I mean, I only do future M. So what my plan is, once it gives enough correction, this is when I will buy all my altcoins. Until then, I'm gonna wait. Or once I'm confirmed that it's a triangle, when I'm confirmed, then I will buy. Until then, I'm gonna hold on to it and not do anything with it. FET? Okay, let me take a look at FET, USDT. Is this a coin as well? Okay, looks quite similar to where XRP is going actually. No, actually it's quite similar to Bitcoin. So that was 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't know if 5 was unending, but that was 5, 3, 5, right? And then ABC, correction. 2, 618 area. So it given enough correction for it to pump again. But is it going to? Let me see. 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. It might. So this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and correction. And now it might go up. So you have to look out if it breaks this with impulse. If it does, then you should take a long. Because it will most likely to break this all-time high. Alright, that is my opinion on this one. It seems like it. A lot of volume here, hey? So A, B, end of B here. C, volume here. But it's not a spike volume. So this was a third impulse. This was a third impulse for the first one. So 3, 1. So in 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Third impulse, and B, end of B. Okay, yes. Once Bitcoin breaks beneath the trend line, you think the larger C wave correction has started. From this, no. From this, no. Just from breaking this 1 minute trend line, no. So what I need to see is an impulse clear, more clear than this one. This wasn't a clear impulse, okay? A clear impulse going down. It has to break many supporting zones in order for it to be considered an impulse. Alright. So it has to break this one, it has to break this one. If it breaks this one for sure, then I'm gonna see it go down to big C. But until then, I cannot say 100% to anything, right? So serious question. Usually people talk about market cycles and that after the bull market ends, it usually takes 1 to 2 years before the next one begins. Do you feel the same way, or do you mention that you expect Bitcoin to go 40k and climb again? Don't you think it will go lower? Okay, so I'll tell you one thing that I know. So in 2017, there was a big bull market and then correction for a long time, right? At that time, only people, regular people who were interested in buying and selling were pumping this. Now it's a different story. A lot of companies and even governments has joined, right? So pumping is different now. So I'll just give you my opinion, okay? So this was first one, right? First correction was around more than a year, right? Second correction was shorter, right? Shorter, and the fourth correction will be shorter. So this is 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and this is now big 4. We'll have 5. The reason I say this is going to be a 41k and not lower is because this is not a second correction. This is fourth correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fourth correction cannot be big. You have to know this. If you know, if you watch my Elliott wave tutorial, you should know this. Fourth correction cannot be big. After another pump and after winter, there will be a bigger correction, which is 2. Okay? Then it might come down to 30k or even lower. Even as low as 28k. Around here, yeah. That is when you buy the full coin. But that is my big time opinion. But right now it's so bullish because of all the inflation that people are worried about and all, because in USA alone, okay, the government has printed money, enough money, then, okay, so from 2002 up until 2020, all the money they printed was less than 10% of what they printed in 2020 to 2021, 1 year alone, okay? That was 10 times. You see the difference? And there was inflation this. You don't think there will be inflation coming in this area, this time zone? Unlikely. So that is why when US dollar is very fragile, okay, USD is fragile and it does not hold the enough power as before, people will think of something that will replace US dollar, which was before gold. Now it is become a Bitcoin. So it does not matter if Bitcoin cryptocurrency is actually used in markets and actually used as currency. It does not matter. What's matter is that what people believe in and what they invest in, okay? And that is what's pumping it. So until that is broken, it will keep on pumping. And that is why I think it will go to 100k easily. Alright. Oh, really? Nice. Let's take a look. You sure it broke the trend line? Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. So that's a good news, right? That's a good news to me. So eventually, yeah, it will go lower. No problem. Thank you. Yep. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Any other questions? So hopefully it will break more. So, oh, okay. So it was broken, but now it's going up again. Okay. So volume spike. So it's got resisted, supported, resisted, and then hopefully it will break again. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Alright, so any other questions, guys? Where are you guys from? Why are you guys in USA? I know that some people are from like Europe. Like I know a person from Turkey, one from Netherlands, one from I know US, of course, and there's one from Canada. What countries are you guys from? And what time zone are you guys in? Germany. Okay. Oh, another Netherlands. Okay. Maybe you were the one that I was talking to. No, I think it was Korean. Yeah, it was Korean. Are you Korean? Are you the same person? uh, that was Whipsaw. 아, Germany. Germany가 맞네요. To Germany. Okay. So a lot of people from Europe, eh? I guess. Oh, Vietnam. Okay. I have a Vietnamese friend. Oh, you're in US. Okay. Eastern time. Oh, okay. So it must be afternoon, one in the afternoon. But is it Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. Living in Netherlands. Okay, so 2 people in Netherlands, 2 people in Germany. Interesting. Oh, you're not Korean. Okay, so there is another person from Netherlands. So 2. All right, 2 Netherlands, 2 Germany, 2. Oh wait, so 3 Netherlands. So is cryptocurrency really popular in Netherlands right now? Is it a boom there? I'm just wondering. Oh, Peru. Oh, nice. Now it's nice time for EU to watch the live. What time is it there right now, Bess? What time is it in EU? Is it like is it evening time? Like 9 p.m. or 10 p.m.? I think it's around there, hey? Evening. 9 p.m. probably. 9:10 around. 10 p.m. Okay. Yeah, it's a good time. Oh, really? Interesting. A lot of promotions, eh? Billboard and radio and etc. Okay. Yeah, you know, cryptocurrency is becoming so huge right now around the world, especially in Asian countries first, and then I think it will spread to Europe for sure. It's not as big as in Korea or other Asian countries, but soon I think it'll get there. Yeah, for sure. Why is it going up? Come on, Bitcoin. Oh my goodness. No, bad boy. Oh, don't go. No. Wow. Okay, that was not expected. Okay, so after it breaks the bottom, it's gonna go up. I hope not. So if it goes more, I'm gonna have to, I don't like this one. I don't like the pump here. It broke the another trend line going down. Okay, so hopefully we'll break it once more and then go down. Hopefully. Be careful of the spam brokers. Here in Turkey we had problems. Yeah, there are many scammers out there in Korea, Asia countries, and European countries, and also I see a lot of YouTubers they're scamming people. I see so many scams because it's easy to scam people with cryptocurrency because they don't leave any traces, right? So they do buy drugs and all that illegal stuff with cryptocurrencies as well since the beginning of the history of cryptocurrency. So yeah, always be careful, guys. Don't trust anyone. There will be like fake accounts saying that if you send coin to here, I will give you 10 times back, and they will use the name of famous people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, whatever. Don't trust any of that. Why would anyone give you free money 10 times? Even 2 times, don't trust. Even if they say I will give you $1 more, don't trust. Okay? Ilsan. Okay. So there's a Korean. Okay, so let me see. Long term. Turn off BB. Interesting. How long it took you to learn what you know now about trading, elite wave, etc.? Everything that I know in my head right now, including like what I talked to you about, the the current status in US and about inflation and all that. All my knowledge about cryptocurrency related and the chart related stuff is less than 3 months. So I've started learning about beginning of February, and then about 1 month I was able to read. After about 1 month and 1 week, I started YouTube and Twitter, and then since then I was able to provide you guys with good predictions. So that is why people are still watching my channel and joining my Discord group and so on. So I'd say around 1 month I studied really hard, really hard. But I'm still studying because I know that I'm not like I'm not like the 100% master of elite wave theory, right? Start at beginning of March. Okay, yeah, I'm sure you'll get there. No need to rush anything. Okay. I was lucky, I guess. I was able to find many good research data online, so I was able to get, well, it's all available to you guys to just Google whatever you're interested in, right? Just Google elite wave theory and also check out anything diagonal and also what kind of corrections there are. They'll just give you everything. All the informations are out there, guys, for you to study. And if you have a teacher on top of that, then you will learn fast. And I'm here to help you guys, right? So why is Ethereum going up? But TA maybe almost a month. Yeah, I'm sure you guys will get there, man. Yeah, a lot of infos out there. Trust me. So I find counting difficult in smaller time frame. Yeah, the one thing that people don't know is that when I tell people that I'm able to read and also count in 1 minute frame, they laugh. They're like, "Oh my goodness, 1 minute time frame. Anyone can do that," but they don't know that it's harder actually than longer time frame. If you actually go around and look at Twitter, people they will do a lot of analyzing in long term, right? Like 4 hour daytime. It's easy. Okay, now we are in correction. It will go down. I mean, anyone can say that, but if you go lower and lower, it's harder and harder. They don't realize that, but we can't blame them. It's okay. But yeah, definitely smaller time frame is harder, especially 1 minute. For example, if I saw this right now in 1 minute, I would start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's an impulse A, B, C, and okay, that's another A, B, C, A, B, C. So A, 1, 2, one big A, B, C here, then A, B, C, C. Okay, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so A, B, C, like this. A, B, C, like this. That is how I do counting. And then there's another 4 here, so that would be A, B, C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and A, B, C, 5. Right? So there are a lot of ABCs here as well. So you would actually do counting of all of them. C, ABC, 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 ABC until you hit the top. So and then you become A, B, C, right? So this was B and this was A. And then again A, B, C, A, B, and C. So one becomes one big A, B, and C. But yeah, music finished already. I find 1 minute impossible. It is quite hard because 1 minute does not really follow the theory and the rules. It doesn't always follow the rule, but most of them they actually do follow. So you have to actually, once you master 5 and 15 minutes, then you have to start checking out 1 minute as well. It will help you for sure. Okay, now maybe the trend line has been extended, who knows. This seems way more, right? It seems way better. So I'm gonna keep it like this for now and see if it breaks again. You have to draw the trend line where the most points touch. Okay? So I'm gonna keep it like this for now and see what happens. Waiting for the Bitcoin to break. Me too. I'm waiting also for it to break. So let's see. Yeah, for now I think for Bitcoin, I think it will fall. So ABC, ABC, ABC. So ABC or impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 5. But if you look at the Fibonacci, the retracement was only up to 4, 5. If it breaks here, then I'm not sure. If it breaks 382, then we have to think of it as ABC and then ABC and then probably go down, which I wouldn't really like. I hope it doesn't, but it's possible. It's very possible, especially now that if this was A, let's take out the volume. So if that was A and B and now C, it might go up to here or here, right? Which is the flat. It's possible. Everything's possible, I guess. Okay, so it seems like Bitcoin's going up again. Yep, so hopefully that doesn't happen, but it seems like it might happen. So A, B, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 5, and then go down. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So up until maybe 6, hopefully, and then it will fall. If it goes up again, that is. But hopefully it won't go up as much. Alright, so any other questions, guys? Getting tighter and higher or tighter? Yeah, it's crazy right now. Everything pumping after big dump. I don't know what the whales are thinking. If they had a big, I guess they just wanted to go up more until they are able to sell at good price. I guess that is why they're trying to pump it up. That's the only thing I can think of why they're pumping. Because if they keep selling and selling, the price will be low and low, right? And they don't want that. They want it to go up before they actually start selling again, right? Oh my goodness, Ethereum is going up like crazy. 1 second, I have to, I might have to take out my position for Ethereum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Okay, if it breaks this line, I'm gonna take it out. 1 second. 4, 1, 4, 1, 0. 4, 1. Okay. Hope it won't come up as much. Okay, so the question was, I had one more question. questions. Where is it? Where was the question? BNB? Okay, I'll take a look at BNB. I have a request. Oops. Okay, so BNB. Let's see. Okay, so this was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now 5th extended. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ending diagonal will probably fall. BNB seems like it's gonna fall. Right? This was a triangle, most likely. So there has to be 4. And then 5 was ABC, ABC, ABC. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna fall. So there was a trend here. And there was a trend like this. Right? Like this. So I think BNB will fall now. It already fell once. So we're likely to fall again. Volume? Yeah. I think BNB will fall now. It's about time it fell. Come on. It pumped from how much? Like $30, $40 until $600. Come on. Almost $700. Wow. $690. That's like 30 times. That's crazy, guys. 3,000. Isn't it 3,000 times they pumped? That is crazy. So yeah, I think it's gonna fall. Maybe I should take a short here. Alright, so I guess that's good enough for today's stream. It's 4 p.m. already. So I'm gonna go and get some rest and probably finish up my tutorial video for corrections. So I've done tutorial for elite wave, pattern, and one more. And now I'm gonna do correction, which is very important as well. They're all beginner, but you should, if you don't know any of it, you should see it. If you're a beginner, you should see it. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.